They say when a car dies, it's gone forever. Just a pile of metal and rust. But what if a car could hold memories? What if every dent, every scratch, was a piece of someone's life? This is the story of one forgotten classic car, and the family who brought it back to life. In 1969, a young man named Michael bought his very first car, a 1967 Chevrolet Impala SS. Midnight black, chrome that gleamed like a mirror, an engine that could be heard from miles away. It carried him on first dates, road trips with friends, and late-night drives with the radio blasting. To Michael, the Impala wasn't just a car, it was the heartbeat of his youth. But life moves fast. Michael got married, had kids, and bills kept stacking up. New cars came along, safer, faster, more practical. And the Impala? It was pushed into the garage, tires flat, dust thick, rust spreading across its once shiny body. Still, Michael could never sell it. Every time he walked past, he would run his hand along the hood and whisper, "One day, old friend, one day we'll ride again." Years passed. Michael grew old. His health faded. One winter night, lying weak in bed, he called his son Daniel and whispered, "Promise me something. Don't let her die in that garage. That car is part of me. Keep her alive." Days later, Michael was gone. And for the first time, Daniel stepped into that garage not as a boy, but as a man carrying his father's last wish. When he pulled the dusty cover off, the Impala stared back at him, broken but not defeated. Daniel made a promise to himself. "I'll bring her back. For Dad." He worked night after night, hands covered in grease, eyes burning from exhaustion. He replayed his father's old vinyl records as he worked, almost as if Michael was there with him, guiding his hands. Piece by piece, the Impala came back to life. New tires, fresh paint, an engine rebuilt from the ground up. And then, the day came. Daniel turned the key. For a moment's silence. Then roar. The Impala's heart beat again. Daniel took it onto the open highway. The night air rushed through the windows, the stars above just like his father once saw. He whispered softly, "This is for you, Dad." And in that moment, he swore he felt his father riding shotgun, smiling. Classic cars are more than machines. They carry memories, dreams, and the people we loved. Michael's Impala wasn't just a car. It was a story passed from father to son, a legacy that will live forever. If this story touched your heart, give it a like, subscribe for more classic car stories, and share your favorite car memory in the comments below. Because every classic car has a story waiting to be told.